and manage all their business-related expenditures. This feature is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, controlling costs, and ensuring that all expenses are properly accounted for, which is vital for effective budgeting and financial reporting. Key features of the Expenses module. 1. Recording expenses. Zoho Books allows users to easily record expenses by entering details such as the expense category, amount, vendor, if applicable, date, payment method, and description. Users can also upload receipts or other supporting documents to each expense entry, ensuring that all necessary documentation is attached for future reference or audits. 2. Expense categories. Expenses can be categorized into predefined or custom categories, such as office supplies, travel, utilities, rent, or marketing. Categorizing expenses helps in organizing them effectively, making it easier to analyze spending patterns and generate accurate reports. 3. Multi-currency support. For businesses dealing with international transactions, Zoho Books supports multi-currency expenses. Users can record expenses in any currency, and the system automatically converts them into the base currency using real-time exchange rates. This ensures accurate financial reporting across multiple currencies. 4. Recurring expenses. Zoho Books offers the ability to set up recurring expenses for regular payments, such as rent, subscriptions, or utility bills. Once set up, these recurring expenses are automatically recorded at specified intervals, reducing manual entry and ensuring that no expense is overlooked. 5. Expense claims. Employees can submit expense claims for reimbursement directly through Zoho Books. These claims can include travel expenses, meals, mileage, and other business-related costs. Managers can review, approve, or reject claims within the system, streamlining the reimbursement process and maintaining accurate records. 6. Expense tracking by projects. Zoho Books allows users to track expenses by specific projects or departments. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to monitor the cost of individual projects or want to allocate expenses to different cost centers, ensuring accurate project budgeting and cost management. 7. Billable expenses. For service-based businesses, Zoho Books enables the tracking of billable expenses that can be charged back to clients. When recording an expense, users can mark it as billable, link it to a specific client, and add it to an invoice later. This feature helps in recovering costs and ensuring that all billable work is invoiced appropriately. 8. Expense approvals. Zoho Books allows businesses to set up an approval workflow for expenses, ensuring that all expenses go through a review process before they are finalized. This feature helps maintain control over spending and ensures that only authorized expenses are recorded. 9. Mileage tracking. The Expenses module includes a mileage tracking feature, allowing businesses to record mileage for business trips. Users can enter the distance traveled, the purpose of the trip, and the associated costs. This is particularly useful for tracking travel-related expenses and calculating reimbursements. 10. Integration with bank feeds. Zoho Books integrates with bank feeds, allowing businesses to automatically import and categorize expenses directly from their bank accounts or credit cards. The system can match these transactions with existing records or prompt users to create new expense entries, simplifying the reconciliation process and reducing manual data entry. 11. Expense reports and analytics. Zoho Books provides detailed reports on expenses, offering insights into spending patterns, budget variances, and cost control. These reports can be generated for specific periods, categories, projects, or vendors, helping businesses identify areas where they can reduce costs or improve efficiency. 12. Tax calculation and compliance. The Expenses module in Zoho Books automatically calculates applicable taxes, such as VAT, GST, or sales tax, on recorded expenses, ensuring compliance with regional tax laws. Users can also record tax-deductible expenses, which can be factored into tax reporting and filings. 13. Vendor management. Expenses can be linked to specific vendors, helping businesses track spending with each supplier. This feature is integrated with the Vendors module, providing a comprehensive view of all transactions with each vendor, including bills, payments, and credits. 14. Expense attachments. Users can attach receipts, invoices, or other supporting documents to each expense entry in Zoho Books. These attachments are stored securely within the system, making it easy to retrieve and review documents during audits or financial reviews. 15. Mobile accessibility. Zoho Books offers a mobile app that allows users to record expenses on the go. The app supports features like receipt scanning, mileage tracking, and expense entry, providing flexibility for businesses with remote or traveling employees. Workflow and automation. 1. Automated expense entry. With bank feed integration and recurring expenses, much of the expense recording process can be automated in Zoho Books. This reduces manual work, minimizes errors, and ensures that expenses are recorded promptly and accurately. 2. Expense reconciliation. Zoho Books includes tools for reconciling recorded expenses with bank statements, ensuring that all transactions are accounted for and correctly categorized. This feature is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and identifying any discrepancies. 3. Budgeting and cost control. Businesses can set budgets for specific expense categories or projects in Zoho Books. The system can track actual spending against these budgets, providing alerts when spending exceeds the set limits. This helps businesses control costs and manage their finances more effectively. Summary: the Expenses module in Zoho Books is a powerful and flexible tool for managing all aspects of business spending. With features like expense categorization, multi-currency support, recurring expenses, and detailed reporting, Zoho Books makes it easy for businesses to keep track of their expenses, ensure compliance with tax regulations, and control costs. The integration with other modules, such as vendor management and project tracking, further enhances the platform's ability to provide a comprehensive view of a business's financial health. By leveraging the Expenses module, businesses can improve their financial management, streamline operations, and make more informed decisions about their spending.